Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the audio balance on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Maybe the sound is louder on one side or the other of your phone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully balance that out. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to go down and select the accessibility tile. And then you want to go down again underneath where it says audio, select audio adjustment, and then you can adjust the audio balance by going left or right, as well as adjusting if you want to have a mono or non-mono audio channel up here at the top. So if you want to have multiple channels, you can have that toggled off. Otherwise, if you want to have mono audio enabled, just keep it toggled to the right. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.